Hello and welcome back to the channel. Last day of our trip through Alsace and the Black Forest, in which apparently the Black Forest wants to say goodbye to us with a little rain. Although that will not prevent us from enjoying this day, as in the previous days. We follow our journey through the Black Forest to the south, to visit on this occasion Todnau, where we will enjoy both its waterfalls and its famous Rodelbahn. To Todnau, that has about 5,000 inhabitants approximately, we access by the valley of the River Wiese, and in which, despite the rain, you enjoy driving, with a green vegetation wherever you look. We headed first to the Hasenhorn Rodelbahn, which is more spectacular and with a larger distance than the other we in previous days, as this has a total distance of almost 3 kilometers. It has a price up to 15 years of €11, chairlift included for the climb, and 13 euros for the elderly, also with chairlift included. Although you can walk up to the beginning of the Rodelbahn, during the chairlift climb you will enjoy more, as you will have a spectacular panoramic view of the area, both the valley and Todnau, even with a day as unpleasant as today. We recommended this attraction, in which we could only record the video of the climb on the chairlift, since the camera we wore was not water resistant and we forgot the protective case, so when starting the descent, the camera did not work. But even so you will enjoy a spectacular descent, both for children and adults. The next visit, once the camera was recovered, went to the waterfall of Todnau, to which you can easily access by car until the start of the route, in which you will have a large free parking. The price in theory is €2.50, but when we visited it in May, it was open to the public without any cost. The waterfall is reached by a pleasant walk, surrounded by the typical Black Forest vegetation. As we approach, we can already hear the sound of this waterfall, about 97 meters high, which was declared a natural monument in June 1987. The waterfall is spectacular both from its bottom and from its top, for which you can climb by trails that are on both sides, and is worthy of admiration in spring during the snow meltdown. We do not have more time to enjoy this spectacular waterfall, as the weather begins to worsen and we end our visit to the Black Forest. Although back to our accommodation, we decided to stop at one of the most famous holiday destinations in Germany, which is Lake Titisee, the largest natural lake in the Black Forest, of glacial origin, with more than 1 square kilometer of surface and 20 meters of depth. As the bad weather continues and the rain rises more and more, Here we end our visit to the Black Forest, of which we have so much and in which meteorology has given us a truce until today. After this short visit, in which we have despite the rain, we return to our accommodation in Oberkirch, where we enjoy a spectacular sunset between vineyards, as the final gift of these holidays in Alsace and the Black Forest.